Finding hope amidst the pandemic. The new normal, they say, has dawned upon us. Our ordinary lives has been completely changed because of the COVID-19 pandemic. This global pandemic has affected various aspects of life in many countries, especially the Philippines. With the number of COVID-19 cases growing exponentially, and as the world fights our relentless battle against the pandemic, each of us is faced with our own daily struggles. And when one is surrounded by so much uncertainty, it can be hard to find hope, a sense of joy, or even belief that this too will pass. Yet it's only when we can accept these realities that we can navigate through difficult times. With the rising number of deaths and still counting that we see, we have consciously wondered what it means to be hopeful again. Anxiety rises in almost every mind. The government has been barking at the wrong tree. Some leaders are eaten by power and money, and health workers are given the least priority, and citizens are dying due to the system's inefficiency. This crisis demonstrates how human rights, such as equality in healthcare, adequate information from the experts, and the right to be treated with dignity are critical. But in spite of all the negative things that continually consume us through the pandemic, and as the world, state by state, begins to shut down, it is important to find hope and positivity. Why? The world is cleaner than ever before. You can breathe deeply because pollution is lessened. Families are being brought back together, and bonding has never been up so close and personal than today. Frontliners have become the puzzle. Doctors, nurses, health workers, the police, military, and the barangay are all mobilized to fight the dreaded disease. Creativity and self-improvement become a priority. Without ignoring the realities that we face, it is clear that the world is reaching for a positive message. Although life will never be the same again, and true, times may remain tough in the days and months and even years to come. But for now, drawing on our reserves of hope and resiliency can tide us over until we pray that these better days come. These are fearful, uncertain times to be sure, but prayers can often be the only thing we can hold on to. Even in worse scenarios, hope springs eternal. But how about you? Have you found hope amidst the pandemic? My name is David Yukisidi Pasupil from Grade 8 Latin.
Thank you, finalist number 1 from Grade 8. Now we call on finalist number 2.